Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is all about crusty feet. Crusty, dry, cracked feet. If you've been watching me for a very long time, you know that I have a real problem with my feet. They have to be addressed at all times, and sometimes no matter what I do, they still crack, they're still dry, they're embarrassing. Well, if you saw one of my favorites, you saw me talk about this product and you've probably already ordered it and you're probably already loving your feet. My friend Joelle, who is from Martinique, who is French and went to Paris, maybe she didn't get this in Paris, I don't know, but every now and then she sends me a box of goodies, and this was in the box. I tried it, I was in love instantly. So I ordered it myself, and I have backups now because I wanted to make sure I had backups before I talked about it. And I am talking about Lova Skin. Now this is how it came for me. I believe I saw on the website now they sell either the little kit, you can buy 2 bottles at a time now, and I think you can even buy the foot file on its own. Don't hold me to that, but I think you can. Anyway, I ordered it this way. So it comes in a white bag, and you receive a foot file, and the file has a very rough side, but not so rough that it tears the feet up. And you'll see the file is silver, and the other side is the smoothing side. So this side here, you rough things up and then you smooth the with the other side. Now in the video I basically showed you how I used the rough side, and then I went on to do my own little pedicure, and after I'm done soaking I go and I do the smooth, but I did not show you that. But yes, you do rough it up, get all of the dead skin off, and then you use the smoothing side. And I'm going to insert me roughing my feet up, and that's where I suggest that you're not eating anything because it is disgusting. I can't even believe I'm putting this on YouTube, but I wanted you to see how this product works versus me just telling you how wonderful it is, because I have never ever used anything on my feet that has exfoliated as well as this, not even the baby foot. I also want to add, for this video I did stop exfoliating my feet, and I wanted you to see how bad my feet get when I'm just using lotion on them. I can put cream on them in the morning, I can put cream on in the afternoon, I can put cream on at night, and they are still going to be dry and they're still going to crack. So for me to find a product that is going to keep that skin off at all times and allow the moisturizers to actually work is amazing for me. So I'm going to insert as I start to talk, and I'm going to run the video and let you see. So I'll probably do a split screen here. It depends on how it lines up. I either have to do a full screen or a split screen, but hopefully I can stay in. Anyway, you do get your foot file with it if you order the little bag that I ordered. And it has a roughing side and a smoothing side. It's a very well-made foot file. It has a nice grip on it. Your hand really, it's easy to grip, which I think is very important when you have aging arthritic hands or you just have young hands. It doesn't matter. All right, so in the bag, you will get this beautiful little bottle. It's actually 3.4 ounce, and it is called Lova Skin Instant Foot Peeling, Soft and Healthy Feet. It is from Swiss Science, Swedish Beauty. This stuff is my new best friend. I'm always going to have bottles and bottles of this. Of course, I still have to moisturize my feet, and I can use this several times a week. And then when your feet really start to behave, you can cut back on this. But in the beginning, I have been using it a couple of times a week. Well, I had been until I let them go crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to start to run the video, so get a barf bag because it's gross. Anyway, you spray, your feet must be clean first. Clean, dry feet, okay? And then you're going to just spray some of this solution. And when you spray it, give it a good shake and then spray it. And you do have to have the bottle angled right. If you turn it upside down, you know, because this is one of those types. So if you turn it upside down, no solution's going to get into it. So you do have to angle this right to get good spray. It's not a real watery substance, but it comes out in a nice stream. It doesn't come out in a spray. Some people think it should come out in a spray. For me, it comes out in a stream, as you can see. So you shake it really well and you start to spray. And then you let it sit for 60 seconds. And even if you didn't use this tool and you just started to rub it, your skin starts to peel off. It's amazing. It doesn't tingle, it doesn't burn. I've had no reactions whatsoever to this. All right, so we spray our foot, and then you let it sit for the 60 seconds, and then you go in with the Bad Mama Jamma file, and you just start filing. Now, I put a dark towel underneath me so you can see how much is coming off of my feet. You will see there is a major improvement that only gets better as the weeks go on. Truly, it does. My feet actually look like normal feet, all right? Okay, so we're going to do our exfoliating, and you exfoliate for as long as it takes. And if your feet are really bad, like mine, you can go ahead after the first round and spray again, let it sit for 60 seconds, and go to town again. I always do this. I'll do this a couple times a week in the shower so that I can just rinse down the drain. And when I do my pedicures, which I probably do about 2 pedicures a month on myself, and I will use it then as well. So if you're using it with a pedicure, I would spray my dry feet first, and then I would exfoliate. Then I will do a soak and tend to my cuticles and allow my feet to soak. I'll dry my feet, and I'll spray again if I need it, and I'll go with the rough again, and then I will end with the smooth. Now, the directions don't say anything about using it with a pedicure, but that is how I'm doing it with the pedicure. So, yeah, that's all there is to it. You just do this a couple times a week, and then right after you're done, of course you want to lube up with some moisturizer, and you want to use a really nice thick creamy one. Put some socks on your feet after you've put the moisturizer on, and just, you know, if you're the type of person that can sleep with socks on your feet and moisturizer, you should be doing that every night before bed. But always moisturize after you've done this step. And I'll just tell you what the directions say real quick. They probably see a squirrel out there. Okay, so it just says, Lova Skin Instant Foot Peeling reveals the natural beauty of your feet and helps to recover from the first application. Soft, healthy, and silky feet. It says use on clean feet. Spray to cover the soles of your feet and targeted areas. For best results, the area should be completely covered. Wait 60 seconds and see your skin softly and naturally begin to peel. And you do, honestly. Says then use the professional foot file to remove excess dead skin and allow a neat finish. Rinse your feet with water, wipe, and your feet are like brand new. Enjoy the Lova Skin difference, and I am enjoying the Lova Skin difference. It says beauty foot ritual. It says to keep your feet healthy and smooth, use Lova Skin Instant Foot Peeling every other week. Well, for me, because my feet are so bad, I, in the beginning, used it a couple times a week, and then you only have to use it every other week. But for me, there's a whole lot of maintenance going on for my feet. So if your feet aren't as bad as mine, every other week is fine. But for me, I did it a couple times a week to start, and then I stopped using it so I could let my feet get bad, and you see how bad they are. And it's painful to have feet that cracked, outside of being very unattractive. Okay, and then it says for intense ritual, for dry feet, including horny skin and calluses, which I have a lot of calluses, use Lova Skin Instant Foot Peeling once or twice a week, and upon visible results, switch to the maintenance routine. And that's exactly what I was doing. And the only warnings it comes, do not swallow. Yeah. Avoid contact with eyes. Read the instructions before you use. And do not apply on irritated or injured skin. My friends, I really could probably say 99.9% you will not be disappointed in this product. All right, my friends? So again, it is the Lova Skin Instant Foot Peeling, and I want to apologize for you seeing the ugliness in my video. But I really do think it was important for you to see just how well this product works. All right, my friends? I'm proud to show my feet now. I truly am. They have always been horrible, and I have used so many products over the year. I do have some other foot creams that I really like and I swear by. And if you're interested, because I know I can't be the only woman suffering with ugly feet, ugly, dry, cracked, sore feet. So if you would like to know some of the foot creams that I am using that I feel are really, really, I mean, it's like I upped my foot game now, just including this with some of the other creams that I've used. So if you want, let me know and I'll do a video on that. Yes, I will. All right, my friends, so that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you're using the Lovaskin. Did you have the same results as me? Are you happy that you purchased it? Is there another foot product that you use that you swear by? Do you have your favorite foot peeling product and creams that you use on your feet? Are your feet as bad as mine? Please share if your feet are as bad as mine. Yes. I know that sometimes illnesses can create really big problems with feet. I don't have any of those, but I know they're out there, so give it a try. All right, my friends, if you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as an Ageless Beauty. Hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos that I am putting up. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous. And I'm very sorry about you being able to see the ring in my glasses, but I needed to read today when I was out and about, and I can't read with my contacts. So, and I wasn't really planning on doing this video, but then I said, oh yes, I need to do the intro for my video. So here I am. All right, goodbye.